This is Mykonos, but not as you know it. One of roots, traditions, and family. We're here to live like locals, to cook, to share, to learn, and to discover the real flavors of the island. Join us as we uncover the soul of Mykonos. This is not just a trip, this is living. Join Irini, Zouganeli and I for a delicious journey through the timeless flavors of Mykonos as we explore beloved local classics in the heart of the island, filmed at the breathtaking Villa Amra.
Τι θα φτιάξουμε σήμερα, Ειρήνη?
Nice to meet you, Maria, first of all. We're going to make a Mykonian onion pie. We used Mykonian cheese tirovolia.
Yes.
And you see the rest here.
Beautiful. So a Mykonian onion pie with traditional local Mykonian cheese. It's an island specialty. I've been waiting very long to try this, so let's make it. Εντάξει, how do we start?
Let's start with our dough.
Okay, so τι χρειάζομαι?
I prefer to add first all the liquid that we have here.
Yes.
First of all, 1/3 of glass with olive oil.
Olive oil, always beautiful.
Some water.
Yes.
Oops. Here we have raki.
A splash?
Yes.
A splash, a quick splash. Sack.
One more shack.
It's
Okay, that's it.
Όλο με το μάτι. It's all with the eye, but no measurements here.
Eye and our heart.
Yes.
And this is a white vinegar.
Okay. White vinegar, splash of white vinegar. Beautiful.
Perfect. So I add slowly the flour. Perfect. If you want to add some salt,
Yes.
just 2 pinches. Do you like Mykonos?
I love it. I absolutely love it. I will be honest, I never thought Mykonos would be one of the islands I'd visit, especially with children. But here we are, and we're having the most amazing time. And we are seeing the other side of Mykonos, the more traditional side, family-orientated side. So we're just adding as we feel, all by touch and sight. It's coming together.
Yes.
Our dough for the KREMYDOPITA is ready. We're going to let it rest. And while it's resting, we're going to prepare the filling for our KREMYDOPITA. What are we going to use for the filling, Irini?
Red onion,
Yes.
spring onion, and
Leek, yes. Okay.
Of course, dill.
Oh, always.
Yes,
Beautiful.
always.
Okay.
So, can you chop this very small?
Yes. So it's important to have the light and the dark.
Yes, and some green inside. Good job.
Ευχαριστώ. Would you say KREMYDOPITA is your favorite pita?
Yes.
I think it might become my favorite too.
Yes. When you try it,
Yes.
you understand.
Our vegetables are ready. What should we do next, Irini?
We can make it sauté or we can use it fresh in our cheese.
Okay.
Whatever you want.
All right.
Okay, let's.
Saute it a little bit?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. I think that's a good idea. Extra flavor as well. I'll cut the dill.
Yes.
Yes. Let's chop the dill. And we'll add it in fresh.
Yes. I add some salt and some pepper. Do you want to mix the cheese with the dill in
Yes.
the meantime?
Okay. I've got beautiful tirovolia here, specialty to the island, Mykonian cheese, lots of it. I'm adding it to the bowl. Now, tirovolia is quite fresh. It's not fermented, is it?
Yes, it's fresh.
It's fresh. So you can get another sort of cheese that is fermented. This one is more mild, more smooth, a little bit like ricotta.
Yes.
A little bit more like a ricotta. Adding the dill straight in to our tirovolia, along with 1 egg. Pinch of salt.
One more.
One more. There. Some pepper. And we're just going to work the dill and the egg into the cheese.
Perfect. Nice job.
We've mixed the dill into our tirovolia. We're going to let the onions cool before we add them in. And while that's cooling, we're going to open up our filon. All right, so I'm just cutting 1/3 of our dough So we're just opening the dough, and every time we roll it out, we're turning it around and continuing so it can pick up some of that flour that we've sprinkled onto the board.
Here we are.
Mixing the leek and onions into the tirovolia. Smells absolutely wonderful. So we're taking the edges, just putting it over the sides, like so. We've added the filling to our KREMYDOPITA. We've folded the edges over the sides, and now we're going to cover it with more filo. And we put it straight on top. Olha.
Let's go.
Perfect. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Going in with a fork. Tuck, tuck, tuck.
As a game.
Olha.
Add some olive oil on the top. Perfect. It's perfect.
Olha.
Very good. You did it.
I did. All right, we're ready to cook our KREMYDOPITA, 180 degrees Celsius fan force. Ya posti ora, how much time you think?
40 till 60 minutes. We will see.
Okay, let's go and cook it. Our KREMYDOPITA is ready. We've taken it out of the pan and put it on top of a rack so it can dry underneath. It's ready to cut into. I'm very excited. I'm going to carefully lift it up, pop it onto our board so we can cut a few slices and taste it. I've been waiting for this the whole trip, and we're finally here. Εντάξει, γωνία είπαμε, έτσι.
The best part.
Yes, it's so crunchy. That filo is amazing, and I think I will be making your recipe at home. Πάρα πολύ ωραία. Να δοκιμάσουμε?
Να δοκιμάσουμε.
Ναι. Okay. Όνειρο. Full of herbs, that dill, onions, of course, being a KREMYDOPITA, this is an onion pie. And I am in love with Mykonian cheese.
You make very good job.
Irini, if anyone in Mykonos wants to find you for private cooking or cooking lessons, how can they find you?
You can find me on my website. It's Irini Zouganeli, all with I. And I have also Instagram and Facebook.
Fantastic. And I'll pop them in the description below so you can find Irini next time you visit Mykonos. Until then, Kali Oriksi, and make sure you try KREMYDOPITA. Amazing. Yes,
Thank you.